We are going to start with 2 small onions, chopped up. Then we will add our garlic, fresh from Kindred Farm Garden. Then we will add, we had just a few mushrooms. We will add that and the celery together. Then we will add all of the peppers, and we have multicolors. The more colors, the better. And these are bite-sized pieces. Not too small, not too big. And then at the end, we will add fresh tomatoes. We don't like canned tomatoes. We will add fresh tomatoes. So we have some coconut oil in here, and I like to make sure that it's hot before I add the onions in there. So as long as it's doing that, that's good. Back in there. All right, after about 2 minutes of sauteing, we will add garlic. And that is when it starts to smell really good. And let that go 1 more minute. Okay, so we don't want the garlic to burn, so we're just gonna, that was about another minute or so, so we'll just put the and I like to add some of our cumin. Add some of our cumin now. Okay. Cumin is what makes the chili. And we have a little smoked paprika. Always wonderful. You can always add more later. All right, so we have probably, there were 5 colored peppers and maybe 3 or 4 green peppers in there. If you get some jalapenos or any kind of pepper, sweet pepper, hot pepper, just put as many peppers as you can in there. It's just amazing. We've got our beans that have been cooking for 1 hour, and they're nice and soft. So I just put in 2 cups in there. We definitely want all the juice in there. Tomatoes, if you have fresh tomatoes, put them in. Otherwise, I wouldn't use canned. It's fine without tomatoes, but we had a whole bunch of fresh. We got the black beans here. So those are, and then we're gonna put a little bit of salt. So I'm just gonna try that much to start, maybe a little bit more. Oh, we'll start with that much. All right. Then if you like more beans, put them in. I like to add a little wine to it, or if you got brandy, throw in some brandy. What else? Then you figure out what the seasoning is. Now we got the, Needs to be hotter.
Ah.
Needs to be hotter. Okay, so then we will add some of our, see what you got around there. You got any chilies or cayenne? You can put some of these in here. Fresh pepper. And there we go. Okay, so just that's all ready to go then. Just warm it up, serve it with crumbled chips, little bit of salsa, and cilantro. So cut up some cilantro in there, and it'll be delish.
Okay.
All right.
I'll see what Frida thinks.
Right? I don't think you like that.